My name's Dan.
My name is John Tobin, and I'm here with my wife Linda.
Hi, I'm Francesca, and this is El Waldo.
My name is Dominic Bartolino.
Morkirk, Canadian.
Barbara Morkirk, Canadian.
We bought in the fall of 2005.
And we started coming down here when the roads were dirt and nothing was here, no marina.
And it's the third time we're coming back because we like it so much.
Yeah, we like having our family come down. Our family just left, so we have lots of room for them. Yeah, it's a holiday.
We bought 11 years ago, and every year we come back because it's our second family.
One of the things that we found down here was it's a real community. The people that come in each month really get together, and especially during high season, January through March, we have 40, 50 people every night out at happy hour, as we call it.
Vineyards, fishing. As you see, fishing over here, I love it. We get up in the morning, usually come to the pool, do a few strokes.
Beautiful.
Sunshine.
Yeah.
Beach.
The heat, the beach.
But we love it here and the people.
We have the same folks. It's fun with them. We look forward to seeing them every year, and we keep in touch with them. We've now made friends from all over the world because of this.
It's now 2014 and we're retired for a while. And we would love to live here.
And we certainly enjoy it. And coming from Canada, it's a whole lot nicer here in the wintertime than it is up north.
I like coming here because I spent most of my life as an engineer in the fishing fleet in Alaska, and I like to eat fish, and I'm on the dock twice a day.